Now let's use these buttons to control the lamps. We will be controlling this first one. In order to use the buttons, we need to go to Edit Mode right here. Now, as you can see, we're in Edit Mode. With the long press, we go to the Edit Mode menu. The General section allows us to use the icon to be displayed on our application and the name of the particular lamp. The Switch menu allows us to use the buttons. Let's say we want to use this first button to control this lamp. As you can see, it's detected by the system, so we now need to press Bind to attach it to the lamp. And let's say we want to use two buttons to control the same light. So let's press the second button, it's detected, and we press Bind. Now two of them have been bound, and we need to press this to actually activate the scenario. Now, as you can see, both buttons control the same lamp. Let's do the same thing with the dimmer. Long press, we're still in Edit Mode, long press. Now this shows us that the switch that we want to use for the dimmer, and let's say it's this one, it's still connected to that light, the first one. So we can unbind it from that light if we want to, and bind it to the dimmer and press OK. Now, as you can see, the button controls the dimmer. And with the long press, it will dim it like that. The system allows for one button to control several devices or several lamps, and also for one button to be used in different ways. Let us show you how. Right now, this button only controls one lamp. But let's say we want it to control two lamps. So we go to the Edit Mode of the other one, press the button, press Bind. We can now go to the Bind menu and choose which functions we want this button to do. So it's by default set to one-click invert function, which means that with a click of a button, the lamp turns on or it turns off. We can also choose for the light to only turn on or only turn off when we press the button. So when we press, if we choose this and we press the button, it'll just stay on, and we won't use this. We will not be able to use the same button to turn it off. Or we can disable it, as we're going to do now, and enable the double-click invert function. Press OK. Which means that now if we only press the button once, it is still bound to the first light, so it turns it off or on. But if we apply a double-click, it'll be controlling the other one. It's pretty convenient because it saves space on a wall panel, and also, as you can see, a triple click is available, or a long press. So basically the user can just use 2 buttons instead of 8, and this of course is convenient. All we need to do is to have a small instruction as to how many clicks do what.